So I'm Radharaman Jha, Raj, VP Supply Chain at Flaconi. So Flaconi is a fastest growing beauty e-commerce company in Europe. We are in 12 plus countries. We sell all 1,000 plus brands, and glad to be here and joining the sustainability panel discussion in the morning. I mean, the key takeaway was primarily that sustainability should not be an option, should not be kept as a secondary KPI for the organization, but it should be kept at the center of everything that we do in the business. Ultimately, for the entire humanity to survive, it's important that carbon emission is low and sustainability is at the core. So, similarly, it should be the core of the business operation and not should be kept in the isolation. It's great to meet different industries from FMCG to e-commerce to retail, and also see a wide variety of vendors here. Mainly people who are not just delivering first mile but also mid mile, last mile, also providing post-purchase experience, claim experience. So it's a kind of end-to-end holistic solutions and also to make a good connection. So it's really a great part. I mean, this is my first one. I would say very impressive. Impressive compared to the other events where you have more organized and kind of properly well maintained and also kind of senior leadership to meet. So I would say really impressive so far. If you don't come here, where else you will go? If you go, I think this is one place where you have everything for delivery to your customers. So if you really want to impress your customer, you have to be here.